Nice and warm.
Crank up that AC, huh?
Yeah, still 3 weeks left to go, too, before winter officially over. And winter temperatures mid-80s today, even some upper 80s. We're talking maybe upper 80s again tomorrow. Now, here's a look at the beautiful shot from Anna Maria webcam showing clear skies, clear blue skies out over the water. We had some fair weather cumulus clouds, inland areas, but that was it. No significant changes for Tuesday. We're going to see another day of near record high temperatures across the Suncoast. Play ball, Ed Smith Stadium photos being sent in at PIX at mysuncoast.com. It's a lovely couple right there watching the Orioles play. And a lot of games are going to be going on over the upcoming weeks, and hopefully no significant weather coming our way. Right now, this frontal boundary located to the north of us is a weak cold front. It's not going to change things up too much. It will bring us a slight chance for a shower or two on Thursday, but temperatures are going to remain above average, even with that front moving through. Sarasota right now, 76 at 79, and Braden 74 out at the end of the pier there in Venice. And as far as the high goes, well, there it is, tied 86 degrees, the record, and that was set back in 1927. 74 is our normal high. You know, we're going to miss those days. If we don't get any more of those, we could use a few. I think we'll still get a couple of shots of some pretty cool air headed in. But as far as a freeze goes, that's not likely at all across our area. Today, no rainfall to report, and we could use a little bit of rain. We'll get some maybe with this front, but not much. I mentioned 20% chance. Right near the coast, from Holmes Beach all the way down to Longboat Key, Whitney Beach, all in the low 70s there. 78 in Braden and 80 in Parrish. Still pretty warm at Lakewood Ranch, too, in the upper 70s there. And Lake Sarasota at 79. Northport, you're at 81 degrees. And in Inglewood, 6 degrees cooler at 75. Rotunda, you're the same. Now the forecast tomorrow, this is for the beaches basically within a mile or two. We'll get a sea breeze kicking in, but still 82 degrees, well above the average. Inland areas will approach mid to upper 80s and a possibility of even 90-degree temperatures into places like Avon Park and also into Sebring. This front, I mentioned, moving basically the showers with it from west to east. There's no big drop to the south right now, and that isn't going to happen. It's going to get a little push with some energy on Thursday to get through us, but out west, they're still getting rainfall there into California. You can see some of that rainfall, not all that heavy right now, into southeast Alabama and into Georgia, and the rain falling from Los Angeles southward into San Diego this evening. Now, temperature-wise, it's a warm day in Washington and Cleveland, not bad. 64 in St. Louis, Toronto at 43 degrees, Minneapolis at 42. The real cold air still well up there in the northern Plains states and northern Rockies. The snow cover is not all that impressive across most of the central U.S. and throughout the Great Lakes. In fact, no snow to be found there. Southeast winds turn to the west tomorrow. We'll start off at 10 knots and then subside to 5 knots. Seas will be running 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature 72. UV index, load up on the sunscreen. It'll be high at a 10 tomorrow. 78 is going to be the high at the beaches. And as I mentioned, much warmer than that away from that sea breeze. And as far as tides go, low tide at 7:33, another one at 8:17. Sunset will be at 6:30 and sunrise at 6:55. Forecast tonight, mostly clear. The only downside will be some fog forming late. 65 for your low. It will be warm and winds out of the east at 5. Tomorrow, the fog burns off, and then we'll see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. High temperatures into the mid-80s at Lakewood Ranch, and we're talking Palmetto, Parrish, all into the mid-80s there. Southeast winds 5 to 10. The extended forecast calling for warm weather on Wednesday, and then Thursday that front comes down. Just look for a little increase in cloudiness, a 20% chance for a shower or two. Temperatures staying warm on and through the weekend too, and the weekend looks to be pretty nice.